Hi, in the last section we have seen that how we can create a deployment slot so that we can deploy to that slot from our pipeline. First of all, we need to connect Azure DevOps with Azure Portal so that we can deploy via pipeline. So in this section I will tell you how we can do the same. So to connect, we need to create a service connection. Open the project settings. Over here there is an option for service connection. Let me scroll down a bit. There is an option for service connection. Click on that. Over here there is already a service connection for GitHub, because if you remember we have made a connection from Azure DevOps to GitHub. Let me create another service connection. Click on new service connection. Over here I will search for Azure Resource Manager. Click on Azure Resource Manager. Scroll down. Click on next. Select Service Principal Automatic. It will be the easy option to create a connection from Azure DevOps to Azure Portal. Let me click on next. It will open a window where it will ask you to log in. So I need to log in with my Azure Portal credentials. Click on next. Specify the password. Sign in. Now select the resource group. I will select RG Demo. You can give any name of the service connection. Then select Grant Access Permission to all pipelines and click on Save. Now our service connection has been created. Let me open Azure DevOps Pipelines. Open the existing pipeline, and over here you see this pipeline which was created previously is having a build which ran 29 minutes ago. Let me open that. You see this pipeline is having artifacts which is one published over here. So we will connect this artifact to our release pipeline that we will create to deploy towards Azure Portal App Service. So let us first create a release pipeline. Let me click on release pipeline. Click on new pipeline. Specify where you want to deploy. So I want to deploy to Azure App Service. So I will select this and click on apply. So first I want to deploy to development. So I will click on one job, one task over here. It will ask me what is your Azure subscription and what is your app service name over here that you can see. Let me click on this drop down. You can see there is a service connection being shown over here. So I will just select that service connection. Then I will select my app service. I have selected my app service over here. Then I will just click on this deploy Azure app service task. Over here it will ask me where to deploy, means in which deployment slot to deploy. Other settings are by default coming in from the stage 1 which we have configured already. So let me click on this deploy to slot. Scroll down. Now I will specify what is my resource group, RG Demo. Then I will specify the slot name. I will choose dev, and that is it. I will just finally change the name of this pipeline, and then I will click on save. Click on OK. Now my release pipeline has been built, but I need to do one more thing. This pipeline needs to be connected with the build pipeline so that it can collect the artifacts which are generated by the build pipeline. Let me click on pipeline over here. I need to specify the artifact by clicking on add an artifact. Let me click that. Then it will ask that what is the source build pipeline. Select it, and it has taken the other details automatically. Just click on add. One more setting I need to do here so that this release pipeline should be run automatically whenever there is a new build generated by the build pipeline. I will click on this icon. Then I will click on this particular icon which is disabled and make it enabled. Once it is done, I will just click on save and click on OK. My release pipeline has been created. If I click on releases in the left, it will show me that there is a pipeline called deploy to app service, and till now it has not been executed. In case I want to execute this pipeline, I can either click on create release manually, or if I do any changes in my code, then this pipeline will also get executed. Let me click on create release so that it will be executed manually as of now. Click on create. So the release process has been started. There is a stage 1 over here. Click on that. So this stage 1 is deploying to the dev slot. Now the deployment has been successfully completed. Let me open my Azure portal, and I have already opened the dev slot. If I click on browse, over here you see my deployment has been done to the dev slot. If I click on close and I want to go to the production slot, let me close it as well. This is the production slot over here. Let me go to overview. Click on browse. Over here you can see that there is no deployment done to the production slot, since our pipeline is only doing the deployment in the development slot. This ends this lecture. Thank you.